Definition: Smart Workspace. A smart office is a workplace where technology enables people to work better, faster and, of course, smarter. Beacons, sensors and mobile apps help employees perform menial tasks better and faster, so they have enough time to focus on growing businesses and innovating. Furthermore, in a smart office, technology also helps people communicate better. Sensors can tell if a person is in the building, where exactly they are at any given moment, and even if a certain conference room is booked and for how long. Example: a smart workspace supports the recent shift toward breaking down the division between our personal and professional spaces. At first, this seems counterintuitive to recruiting and retention. After all, today's workforce demands work-life balance. Elements of Smart Workspace: Speech recognition, virtual and augmented reality, bring your own device, BYOD, Biometric Security Systems, Internet of Things, IoT, connected furniture. Speech recognition. Speech recognition using existing technology from Amazon, Apple, Google and others will provide multilingual support for using voice recognition to command, control and document with various healthcare systems. Staff will be able to multitask by using their voice to manage calendars, tasks, and data requests, while also streamlining IT requests, conference calls, ordering. Example: as speech recognition technology continues to improve, individual users will be recognized and provided with appropriate access rights and abilities. For locations where the use of speech control may be too intrusive or not appropriate, gesture control, where movements of the head, arm, hand, fingers, and eyes are translated into specific action requests, will also be an option. These are some of the companies offering solutions and offerings for speech recognition: BYOD, Siri, Google Now, Microsoft Cortana, Speechmatics, SoundHound. Virtual and augmented reality. Immersive virtual and augmented reality systems offers low-cost access to three-dimensional visualizations and representations of data in real time across multiple locations. Augmented reality will allow organizations to overlay appropriate information onto a user's device or smart glasses. Example: virtual reality also supports immersive video conferencing and meetings that can bring geographically dispersed staff together into a single, virtual meeting space. These are some of the companies offering solutions and offerings for virtual and augmented reality: Oculus VR, Google, HTC Vive, Microsoft. Bring your own device, BYOD. Bring your own device, BYOD, allows staff to right-size the technology devices, such as their own phones, tablets or personal computers that they can utilize both in the workplace and at home. The benefits of BYOD include: saving money by eliminating the need to buy each employee multiple devices and equipment, increasing happiness and satisfaction of employees. These are some of the companies offering solutions and offerings for Bring Your Own Device, BYOD: Apple, VMware, Citrix. Biometric Security Systems. Iris and fingerprint scanners, facial recognition systems and other biometric security systems will facilitate single sign-on to computers, access to printers, management of the room reservation system, interfaces with access control systems and interaction with other technology systems. The benefits of using biometric security will include: reducing the need for passwords and identification cards, increasing staff, registered visitors and other known individuals' efficiency by allowing quicker access into secure area, improving the safety and security of offices, equipment and information. Internet of Things. The smart workplace will utilize Internet of Things technologies to harvest data about the staff that occupy its spaces and the building systems that provide power, temperature control, fire protection, and other services. With this harvested data, technology systems will identify trends, measure performance, and use the information to understand utilization and occupancy, predict future trends and model what-if scenarios. Example: BYOD technology systems will use the real-time data to automate low-value tasks through the building itself and allow staff to focus on higher-value activities. Connected furniture. To promote employee wellness, connected furniture allows users to control their desk height, lighting levels and other ergonomic factors and apply these settings at all the locations they use across an enterprise. Example: by integrating with smartphone technology, furniture can also alert users when they have been sitting or standing too long and provide data on sitting, standing habits. In addition, a company can use the sit-stand data to better understand utilization and occupancy of the various physical spaces in its buildings, especially for shared desks, hot desking and conference rooms. Applications of smart workspace: healthcare, manufacturing, retail, enhanced staff communication. Healthcare. Healthcare is undergoing significant change as technology advances and population attitudes and regulatory requirements evolve. As this is happening, new developments in workplace technologies provide opportunities for teams in healthcare to work together, access and manipulate information, communicate with patients, family members and other staff, and collaborate with interdisciplinary teams in ways that could only be imagined a few years ago. Example: wearable technologies have become mainstream and many people are now tracking their physical activities, heart rate and sleep patterns daily. Consumer healthcare wearables include smartphone apps, chest straps, sports watches and other monitoring sensors that can be worn on the body. The next generation of smart clothing will include these technologies built into the fabrics, making it even easier to incorporate wearable technology into one's lifestyle. Manufacturing. To remain competitive, manufacturers are maximizing efficiency, quality, and safety throughout supply chain operations by integrating existing rubberized device deployments with workspace IoT endpoints, like mobile printers and wearables. In the past, centralized printing required workers to leave their workstation to pick up receipts or labels. Today, manufacturers are deploying mobile wireless printers, alongside rubberized handheld barcode scanners or mobile computers, to improve labeling accuracy and efficiency. Example: according to MHI, 70% of manufacturing and supply chain facilities will adopt wearables in the next 5 years. Smart glasses are being used to improve manufacturing processes across the plant floor, field operations, and warehouse by delivering instructions, visual diagrams, and reference materials directly to the worker's line of sight. Retail. With more ways to connect and shop, customers expect more from retailers in store and online. According to Grand View Research, retail IoT will be a $94 billion market by 2025, so it's no surprise that stores everywhere are leveraging AR, mixed reality, MR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies and workspace IoT endpoints to enhance the customer experience. Example: while rubberized handheld barcode scanners and mobile point-of-sale (MPOS) devices have been ubiquitous for years, today's retailers are equipping customer-facing employees with multifunctional consumer devices. Consumer smartphones and tablets, often outfitted in durable enterprise sleds, enable store associates to easily communicate with each other, access product and customer information, and process payments. Enhanced staff communication. Staff spend significant time on hunting and gathering and other low-value activities when they could be more gainfully employed on high-value tasks such as working with other staff and family members. Example: enhanced staff communication systems, including voice and video options, improved alarm management, routing appropriate alarms to the appropriate staff members and reducing alarm fatigue, and location-sensitive technology systems, will enhance workflows, improve efficiencies, and address staff morale by helping them to make a difference in their client care. Advantages of Smart Workspace: boost productivity, easier employee and office schedule management, better cost control, insightful usage analytics. Video becomes the default mode of communication. Boost productivity. Companies that use a smart office approach are better positioned to perform well than those using the traditional approach. This concept encourages innovation and creativity. In turn, this influences how the business operations are executed. There is a massive volume of data in a labor-intensive work environment that can be tapped into. Easier employee and office schedule management. The smart office system makes it easy to track and manage the employees and the office schedule without wasting a lot of time. Reports, smart devices, and automated systems that help execute business operations make it easy to account for employees' schedule. Collaboration and document sharing are also enhanced due to increased connectivity. Better cost control. It is essential for business managers to test their company's performance against the costs incurred and corporate objectives. Sensors and automated systems capture real-time data in a smart office setting. This information can be used to analyze, measure, and improve the behavior of personnel and building performance for cost-effectiveness. Insightful usage analytics. It is easy for an enterprise to keep tabs on space, building usage, and booking. Space usage data is derived from system alerts and reports. Relevant parties can get alerts and schedules of the usage analytics via email or smartphones to help in decision-making. Video becomes the default mode of communication. Video is already becoming mainstream. So much so that organizations are readjusting their workspaces to leverage its power and potential. Where once it was whiteboards, it's now video-enabled devices for richer, more effective collaboration. Illustrative Example. These are some of the companies offering solutions and offerings for Smart Workspace: Apple, Google, Microsoft, Samsung, VMware.